So today we're making hot chocolate, and you know what? You can always go to the store, you can go buy powder. Yeah, it's good, yeah, it does the job, but if you see how easy homemade hot chocolate is, people, oh my God, you will never go back. Welcome back to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ, and today, yes, we are making hot chocolate, a favorite of so many people. The recipe can be found using the link in my description along with my other social media, so be sure to check that out. Hit the subscribe button so you can join me every Wednesday for new recipes and episodes. I'm quite thirsty, so let's get started. So here in a small saucepan over medium heat, I'm going to be adding 5 ounces of my favorite semi-sweet chocolate. Make sure you use a good quality because that will make sure your hot chocolate turns out really great. So to that, you want to add 3 cups of the milk of your choice. You can go dairy-free or you can use regular here. I'm using almond milk because that's just what I like. You just want to make sure you whisk this occasionally over a medium heat to prevent the chocolate from sticking to the bottom of the pan and burning, because that will completely ruin our hot chocolate and you would be very sad, trust me, because this is so good. So once your chocolate is nicely melted and combined with your milk of choice, you're going to go in with a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and if you're like me, you're going to throw it in the sloppiest, like far from neatest way possible. I don't know how I managed that, but hey, at least it mostly made it in the pan. To that, you're also going to be adding 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon with a teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Now you want to stir all that until it's combined and continue to cook this on a medium heat until it barely comes to a simmer and is really steamy, because now we're just cooking it until it's hot enough. And if you want to take it to the next level, add a couple tablespoons of heavy cream for richness, and that's really it, people. It's not hard, it's only a few ingredients. Top it with some fresh homemade whipped cream, of course, and a little dusting of cocoa powder, and there you have it. I wasn't kidding, was I? Amazing, delicious, rich, luxurious, velvety. What else could I possibly say? Oh, give me a minute. I'm having a moment. You guys, there is just no comparison. Once again, the recipe can be found using the link in my description, so go check that out along with my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because, come on, yeah, you just do it. Hit that subscribe button and leave me some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. I really can't help but hear that hot chocolate song from the Polar Express when I drink this.